Hello everyone. I am your host Ayushi Kara Sethia and welcome back to our channel Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to learn how we can add Elementor form responses to Stack by Table automatically. So let's take an example that you are an electronic store owner and you are collecting leads through the form submission. Now whenever the customer fills the form, you want the details of the customers to be entered into your Stack by Table, that is the name of the customer, his email address and the contact number. For this, we need to create a connection between Elementor form and Stack by so that whenever the form is filled, automatically the details are captured to your Stack by Table. So in this particular integration, we are using two software applications. The first one is Elementor form, which is a form building software application and it is a plugin of WordPress. So in place of Elementor form, we can even use Contact Form 7, Gravity Forms or any other form building software application. And the second application we are using is StackBy, which is a spreadsheet program. So in place of StackBy, we can even use Google Sheets, Airtable, Grist or any other spreadsheet program. So how we are going to create an integration between Elementor form and StackBy, this we will be learning in the further steps of the video. First, let us check this in the real time that how this complete process works automatically. So this is my web page named Manual Electronics, where I have embedded the form over here where I am asking for the name, email address and mobile number of the customer, and this is my Stack by Table. So now I want that whenever a customer fills this particular form, automatically the details of the customer should be saved to my Stack by Table over here. Let us fill the form. I am just going to give the name as Adam Smith. Let's add the email address as adamsmith25@gmail.com and let's add the phone number. Let's click on submit. Okay, the form was sent successfully. So we have filled the form over here. Now let us check our Stack by Table. And here we can find the name of the customer named Adam Smith, his email address and the mobile number. So now here you might be wondering that I just filled the form on my website over here and automatically the details of the customer are captured over here in my Stack by Table. So how did I manage to do this? Let me tell you, this has become possible just because of the automation and the integration process. So in order to create an integration between Elementor form and StackBy, we are going to use a software application named Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating both these software applications automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can use this software application very easily. So first we have to create an integration between Elementor form and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect is going to capture all the details of the customer through the form submission. And automatically using the details, a new record will be created into your Stack by Table. And in this way, we are going to learn that how we can create an integration between Elementor form and Stack by using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to click on sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option and you will get 100 tasks free every month. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to create a workflow. For that, come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give a name to the workflow. So let us give the name as add Elementor form responses to StackBy. Here you can give the workflow name as per your requirement and simply click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want to add the Elementor form responses to StackBy. So open this trigger window and here in the choose application, let us find Elementor form. In the trigger event, we have to select new form submission. Now here we can see a webhook URL and some instructions are also mentioned. So as Elementor form is the plugin of WordPress, I'll directly take you to my WordPress account. So this is my WordPress dashboard. Here I have already created some pages. I'll just click on all pages. And here I have already created a page for my electronic shop, that is Manual Electronics. So I'm just going to find the same page over here. So this is the page. I'm just going to click on this edit with Elementor option. So this is my web page where I have embedded the Elementor form over here. Okay. So when I click over here, we can find all the fields. I'm just going to minimize this form fields and let us close this navigator window from here. Okay. Now here we can find actions after submit option. Simply click on this. Here we have to add the action as webhook. Click on the plus sign and click on webhook. As soon as we add the action webhook over here we can find the webhook activated. Here open this webhook option. Now it is asking for the webhook URL. So we have to copy webhook URL from Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to copy it and we will be pasting the same webhook URL over here. Okay. And let's click on update. Okay, and here we can see that the webhook has been set to this particular page. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and here we can see that it is waiting for the webhook response. So in order to capture the response, we have to do a test submission. It means we have to fill up the form. So I'll just go to the form on my web page. So I'll just scroll down and let us fill the details over here. Let's give the full name as Shikha Arya, email address as shikhaarya22@gmail.com, and let's add the phone number over here. And let's click on submit. Okay, the form was sent successfully. Okay, so here we can see that the form has been submitted. Let's move to Pabbly Connect. And here we can see the responses received and all the details of the customers are captured over here. Here we can find the customer name, email address, mobile number, form ID and the form name. So now we want to add this form response to StackBy. Come to this action window. Here in the choose application, let us find StackBy. In the action event, we have to select create a row. Click on connect. Click on add new connection. Now here it is asking for the API key. So let us read the instructions. Log into your StackBy account. After login, click on your profile, account, then scroll down to API key. So I'll just take you to my StackBy account. Here we have to come to profile. Click on account. And when we scroll down, here we can find the API key. So if you want to regenerate the API key, by clicking on this regenerate API key option, a new key can be generated, or else I'll simply copy this key from here. We'll go back to Pabbly Connect and we will be pasting the same key over here. And let's click on save. Okay, now the StackBy account is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we can find all the workspaces which we have created in our StackBy account. So I'll just take you to my StackBy account over here. So this is my StackBy dashboard where I have created several workspaces over here. So I'm just going to open the workspace which I have already created, that is Manual Electronics. And in this particular workspace, I have created a stack named Customer Data. And in this stack, I have created a table on the name of By Elementor Form, where I have taken the columns for the name, email address and mobile number of the customer, that is the basic fields. If you want to add some more columns, by clicking on this plus sign, you can add the columns as per your requirement. So let us select the workspace, stack name and the table name over here in Pabbly Connect. I'm just going to find the workspace name as Manual Electronics. And in this particular workspace, I have created just one stack. So the stack name is automatically captured. And even in this particular stack, I have created just one table. So the table name is automatically captured. If you have created multiple tables, from the drop down, you can select your table name. Okay. Now here we have to give the name, email address and mobile number of the customer. So we have already got the customer details from the form submission over here, the form responses. So we are going to map all these details of the customer now. Let us map one by one. I'm just going to map the name from Elementor and the name was Shikha Arya. Let us map the email address. and here we have to map the mobile number. So we have mapped all the details. Now let's click on Save and Send Test Request. Okay, and here we can see the responses received. It means a new data is added to our stack by table. Okay, and here we can find the name of the customer, email address and the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is working fine. Let's move back to Pabbly Connect and let us save this workflow first. Data saved successfully. Okay. So now we have to check this in the real time. For that, I'll just move to my page and I'll just fill the form on the name of a new customer. Let's give the name as Avinash Jain. Let's give the email address as janavi21@gmail.com. And let's add the mobile number. Let's click on Submit. Okay, the form was sent successfully. So we have entered the form over here. Now let's check our stack by table. Okay, and here we can find the name of the customer, that is Avinash Jain, his email address and the mobile number. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine. So let's move back to Pabbly Connect and I'll just minimize all these windows and let us see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So first we have created an integration between Elementor Form and Pabbly Connect. Then Pabbly Connect has captured all the details of the customer through the form submission. And using the details of the customer, automatically a new record is created in your stack by table. And in this way, we have created a successful integration between Elementor Form and stack by using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can connect us to this Pabbly forum. To check the pricing details of Pabbly Connect, you can visit this particular URL. Also, the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video and this video are helpful for you, then please comment, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.